Hello everyone. I have tried the Tailwind navbar. It is working on my desktop screen, my laptop screen, but it is not working on my mobile screen. So this is Tailwind navbar. If you go to their official website, so already they have given the code for the navbar. This hamburger, it is not like toggling between the menu. It is not working. So let us fix this. I will open the code in the text editor. In the code, there are two buttons for the hamburger and the close icon. So we have to remove this code. We have to remove. Instead of this, I am gonna use this website Iron Icons. They provide all type of icons. If you click on any of the icon, so they will give the HTML tag. We have to just embed this tag inside our code and we have to use the script. So I will type, I want the menu, hamburger menu. So this is the code. I've copied this code. I will use it here, and also want the close icon. Only the name attribute gets changed. It is close outline. So we will like change it through the code. I will write the on click function here. So I will name it a toggle menu and it will take this argument because I want to fetch the attribute of name, so I'm using this. For iron icons, if so it is a library, so we have to use the script. Copy this and add in the text editor inside the head tag. Write a function toggle menu. It will take event. I will check if e dot name equal to menu outline. Now I want to fetch the mobile menu. So here it is the code. I will fetch by ID menu, mobile menu ID, and instead of the class SM hidden, I will use hidden class. If e dot name equal to menu outline, then I want to change it to close. Also, I want to toggle between the menu, so I will fetch that ID first. Document dot get element by ID, mobile menu. So by default the class is hidden, so we have to remove the hidden class and add block class. Okay, so if it is not the menu outline, then definitely it is closed. Then again we have to change it to menu outline. So it is close outline, and here we gonna change it to menu outline. again we will remove the block class and add hidden class. It is a default behavior. And one more thing, here we are going to show, like, we have to use MD hidden. It will hide on my desktop and laptop screen, and I have to show on my smaller screens. And one more thing, here add class text white. It will show, otherwise it will show in black color. So let us save this and again reload it. So I have resized it on my mobile screen, and as you can see, hamburger menu is showing. If I click on this, the menu is showing. If I again click on the close icon, the menu is hiding. So it is working properly now. If you want to change the size of the hamburger, this icon, you can definitely resize it, but it is has functionality, it is working fine. So this is my fix for this Tailwind navbar. Let me know in the comments if you have any doubts, and also I will be sharing this code on my GitHub. Thank you for watching.